All right, y'all. So as you see, I got this 50K PA. Boom. And just hit the 500, so I closed out. I'm gonna be showing you guys a reason why I get into these trades pretty much religiously in these daily vlogs, so you can help yourself get better too. All right, what's up, y'all? We are back with another video. Listen, man, it is December. It is December 2nd, which means we got about 2 more weeks until the end of the year, as I don't trade the last 2 weeks of the year. So I want to have some fun to end out the year, and what I'm going to do is activate this Apex account that I passed probably months ago, and I started focusing on my personal capital, so I've just had it sitting there. So what we're gonna do, I'm going to activate it. It's a 50K account, and I'm gonna see what we can do with it until the end of the year, well, the end of my trading year, which is gonna be the 14th. So let's get right into it. All right, y'all, so as you see, I got this 50K PA account. This is a lifetime fee that you have to pay once you get it passed. About 125 bucks. Yes, it is 12/2. And boom. All right, so we got the account. Really aiming for about 500 bucks in this first position, then we'll pull out. Sitting at about 260 right now, but again, just entered that very first position on this challenge. So excited to see what happens here. Floating about 290. Now floating about 390, so we got about 100 bucks more to go, and then we'll go ahead and exit this position. So close. Floating about 450. As soon as it hits that 500, I'll exit right away. 430, 410, 440, 450, 460, boom. And just hit the 500, so I closed out. Let's see if I actually got the whole 500. 483. We missed it by about $17. But that's it. That's a wrap for day one. Obviously, I'm just going to heavily stick to the plan, which I told you guys. As soon as we hit that 500, or as soon as we hit that 1,000, then we can start risking 500 bucks per trade. All right, y'all. So that is a wrap, son. Plus about $480 something for the day. My cat's tripping, bro. Plus $480 for the day. I'm editing the rest of this vlog, which I'm actually just looking at right now. So we'll have that done soon. I have a team meeting here in about 30 minutes with the boy, just to run through all of the systems, how everything is working and such, seeing how we can improve ourselves 1% better every day. And then I'm going to get into what a lot of you guys are waiting for, which is the second part of the Dubai vlog, which is gonna be lit. It's crazy. Obviously you can go far by yourself, but you can go so much longer with having a team. I mean, just to the point of conversation, you know, having multiple different people working on the same goal, and then being able to come back and actually speak about it, you know, once a week, once every couple weeks. The different types of ideas you get from everybody working towards the same goal, but having their different perspectives on it allows her business to just fly, brother. So if you were thinking about getting a team, you can afford a team, get yourself a fucking team. All right, so we're getting to the last little bit of the day. Man, it's been a long fucking day. Just a lot of editing, just because I have so many videos coming on at once. Even right now, I have my editor editing a bit of the video. Just give you guys a little sneak peek for that immersive museum. But I want to show you guys how this trade. Yo, check this out before we get into that. This is a dirham. This is 100 dirham, which is the Dubai currency. Every country we went to this year, I've just kind of got some currency from it. I tape it to the table, so I just haven't put this up yet. Kind of getting a little collection there. But right back into this trade. Let's get into it here. Very simple setup. Actually, let me zoom out to kind of help you guys out better here. So, and I'll also go to just one full screen so we can really dive deep. Okay, so right when session was starting up, I already noticed that we broke below London high sitting right here. And so when that happens and we start to push back in the range, you know, just kind of a grab saying that all buyers from London session, their stop loss is probably sitting at this obvious point below London lows. And so when price rapidly came down here to take out all those lows, they took out a ton of their stop loss to potentially continue on in the direction they thought. So what happened here was we did get a good reaction. We started to push back up, but then we started to hold and push lower. So this is my bread and butter volume setup. When we break below previous session highs or lows, come back in the range, and then re-break those lows during New York session. So that's kind of what happened here. As soon as we broke below that support that had formed, we went ahead and executed, looking for a 1 to 3, and pulled out like so, right to the fucking T. And then the rest of the day, kind of price just fizzled out so far. So That's a full breakdown of the trade. I'm going to be showing you guys a reason why I get into these trades pretty much religiously in these daily vlogs, so you can help yourself get better too. So I suggest, you know, subscribe and get to watching everything that I do on a daily basis, as this will help you guys out a ton. I mean, it's my full routine.